Everyone thinks the best-selling push-reel lawnmowers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, American Lawnmower 12014. Let's kick things off with the American Lawnmower Company 12014. Priced at $87.99, this 14-inch 4-blade push-reel mower caught my attention with its lightweight design and maneuverability. If you want an easy-to-use option for small lawns, this is worth a serious look. What stands out about this mower is its 4-blade cutting system, which allows for a cutting width of 14 inches and is perfect for maintaining grass height between 0.5 to 4 inches. It also features durable 8.5-inch polymer wheels, making it a breeze to navigate tight corners in your yard. Plus, it's manual and pollution-free, so you're not just saving your lawn, but the environment too. This mower has already been bought over 2,000 times in the last month, which shows it's gaining popularity fast. Now, some customers mention that it can struggle with taller grass, which can be a bit frustrating. Here's the thing though, if you keep up with your mowing and don't let the grass get too long, it's not a deal breaker. Just aim to mow regularly, and you're golden. This mower is perfect for you if you have a small lawn and want a simple, eco-friendly solution. Skip this one if you have a larger yard or let your grass grow too long, as that could lead to some challenges. Product number 2, Lawnmaster LM-RM1801. The Lawnmaster LM-RM1801, priced at $98.99. This 18-inch 5-blade mower really impressed me with its customizability and scissor-like cut. If you want a mower that offers a healthy cut while being easy to handle, this one deserves a closer look. What makes this mower exceptional is its ability to change cutting heights with 9 different positions, ranging from 1.1 to 2.5 inches. This means you can tailor your lawn care to your specific needs, ensuring your grass is cut just right. The 18-inch deck and 10-inch front wheels provide excellent maneuverability, so you can get around those tricky areas with ease. Given that this is a motorless design, it's not just good for your lawn, but also good for the planet. However, some users felt that the assembly wasn't as straightforward as they hoped, but honestly, once you get it together, it runs like a charm, so I wouldn't let that minor annoyance stop you. This mower is great for you if you have a medium-sized lawn and want the flexibility to adjust cutting heights. Skip it if you prefer a larger mower or need something that's ready to go straight out of the box without any setup.
Product number 3, Lawnmaster LM-RM1602. Let's talk about the Lawnmaster LM-RM1602, priced at just $89.99. This 16-inch 5-blade mower caught my eye for its balance of size and performance. If you're looking for a reliable mower that's friendly to your budget, this one is worth considering. This mower features a scissor-like cut, which minimizes damage to your grass blades, resulting in a healthier lawn overall. It provides 4 cutting height options from 1 to 2.5 inches, making it flexible enough for different grass types. Weighing in at 22 pounds, it's still manageable while giving you a solid cutting width of 16 inches. Reviews indicate that it's been well received, with over 1,000 units sold recently, which speaks volumes about its reliability. However, some customers noted that its weight can make it a bit challenging to push on uneven terrain. But here's the thing, if you have a relatively flat lawn, it shouldn't be a problem at all. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, budget-friendly option for small to medium lawns. Skip this one if you have a bumpy yard or need something super lightweight. Product number 4, Earthwise 1715 16EW. The Earthwise 1715 16EW, priced at $119.99. This 16-inch 7-blade mower really surprised me with its effectiveness. If you want a robust manual option that doesn't compromise on quality, this mower is definitely a contender. What sets this mower apart is its 7-blade design, which offers superior cutting efficiency and stays sharp longer. It also features composite wheels that enhance maneuverability, making it easier to navigate around garden beds and obstacles. The adjustable cutting height ranges from 0.5 to 2.5 inches, giving you the versatility to tackle various grass types without damaging them. It's been purchased over 600 times recently, indicating that it's a popular choice for many homeowners. Now, some users express concerns about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the performance is stellar, so I think it's worth a little extra effort. This mower is ideal for you if you need a reliable, high-quality option for different grass types.
Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight or if you prefer a mower that's easier to assemble. Product number 5, Great States 81518. We have the Great States 81518, priced at $116. This 18-inch 5-blade mower stands out for its adjustable cutting height and comfort. If you need a mower that combines comfort with solid performance, you might want to check this one out. With its adjustable cutting height from 0.5 to 2.75 inches, you can ensure a clean, even cut every time. The 18-inch cutting width allows you to cover more ground quickly, which is fantastic for larger lawns. The cushioned grips on the loop-style handle enhance comfort, especially if you're mowing for a while. It's also motorless, meaning quieter operation and lower maintenance, which is a plus for many homeowners. This one has been bought over 500 times, showing its increasing popularity. However, a few buyers found it a bit heavier than expected at 27 pounds, but I'll be real with you. Once you get used to it, the performance outweighs the weight, especially if you have a sizable lawn to tackle. This mower is perfect for you if you have a medium to large lawn and want a comfortable mowing experience. Skip it if you're looking for something lighter or if you struggle with heavier equipment. We've covered the American Lawnmower 120414 for budget-friendly ease, the Lawnmaster LMRM 1801 for customizable cutting, the Lawnmaster LMRM 1602 for compact performance, the Earthwise 1715 16EW for quality cuts, and the Great States 81518 for comfortable operation. Each one has its pros and cons, but they all offer something unique for your lawn care needs.